Good morning, students. As you know that your chapter second, that is nutrition in animals, has been completed. Now I will explain exercise question. So in exercise question, there are some easy question answer such as filling the blanks, true and false, match the following, and one word answer. So you will do these types of question self. So from question 1 to 4 all are simple question and you can do easily. Question number 5 is what are willing, what is their location and function. So you know that willy are finger like outputs. पहला ये हो गया कि बिली आर फिंगर लाइक आउटपुट, लोकेशन कहाँ होगा मीन्स पाए कहाँ जाएंगे, फाउंड इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. एंड फंक्शन क्या होगा, ये कहते हैं टू इंक्रीज द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन to absorb the digested food. So it will be the correct answer of question number 5. However, you can get answer in PDF also. Question number 6 is where is bile produced, which components of the food does it help to digest. Means where is bile produced? Bile is produced in liver and stored in gallbladder and bile juice help in the digestion of fat. Hence, bile juice help in digestion of fats. So this will be the answer of question number 6. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is name the types of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason also. So in question number 7, you know that cellulose is a type of carbohydrate which can be easily digested by ruminant means grass eating animals and not digested by human being, because in grass eating animals there is a bacteria which help in the digestion of cellulose by releasing enzyme cellulase. Don't confuse, cellulose में O या C में end होगा, so that will be a type of carbohydrate और ASE में इन होगा, ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका एंजाइम। So due to this reason, ruminant can easily digest the cellulose, but human being not, because in human being there is no any types of cellulose digesting bacteria inside the intestine. So due to this reason, human being cannot digest the cellulose. Question number 8, that is question number 8, that is why do we get instant energy from ग्लूकोज। ग्लूकोज को क्यों एनर्जी का या इंस्टेंट एनर्जी का सोर्स माना जाता है? बिकॉज यू नो दैट ग्लूकोज is a simple sugar which can be easily, glucose is a simple sugar which can be easily digested by our body and energy will produce, because when the digestion of glucose is start, then the blood cells directly absorb and give the energy which release of the carbon dioxide gas in presence of oxygen. So due to this reason, glucose is considered an instant energy source. Question number 9, that is the filling the blanks. You can do yourself. Question number 10. Question number 10 is write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human being. You know that amoeba and human being both are animals. Then what will be the similarity? In similarity, both use means amoeba and human both use digestive enzymes for the digestion of food. So this is one similarity between the digestion in amoeba and human. Both uses digestive juice and enzymes for digestion. Differences or what will be different? In difference, you know that amoeba is a microscopic animals and it is unicellular, means all body or all life processes will carried out by single cell. So we can say it is unicellular, means there is no any types of developed organ. But in case of human being, you know that we have a well developed digestive system, means alimentary canal or digestive tract in which digestion is occur. Question number 11 is match the following from column 1 and 2. You can do yourself. And question number 12, it is figure. You will draw the figure from your book and label it. The last question, that is question number 13. In question number 13, can we survive only on raw leafy vegetable or grass? Discuss. No, because you know that grass or green leafy vegetables or raw vegetables contain cellulose, and we have no any types of bacteria in our intestine which is responsible for digestion of cellulose. So we cannot survive on raw leafy vegetables or grass, and ruminant can survive because they contain cellulose digesting bacteria which release an enzyme cellulase. So here your exercise is completed, and you will do the exercise in your fair copy in sequence. जैसे आपको पहले जब ऑफलाइन क्लास चलते थे आपने चैप्टर फर्स्ट का करके मुझे दिखाया था, वैसे ही चैप्टर सेकंड का करना होगा। कीवर्ड्स आपको पीडीएफ में मिल जाएंगे, और जितने भी क्वेश्चंस मैंने एक्सप्लेन किए हैं सबके आंसर आपको पीडीएफ में मिल जाएंगे। आप अच्छे से लिखेंगे और साथ साथ कोई भी कंफ्यूजन होगा तो उसको फिर आप पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू।